Hey guys, what's going on? James living in paradise. I'm just going to give you a TikTok update. I figured out finally how to start making money every day on TikTok. And at the very end of this video, in the last 30 seconds, I'm going to show you one little trick I learned when you go live to get people to send you a lot of gifts, which turn into cash daily on TikTok. Let's get started. All right, so here's what I figured out, guys. I've been studying TikTok for the last couple of months. I can't believe it. I have a brand new account. Now I'm starting to make money every day. The trick is this. So number one, you need 1,000 followers to go live. When you go live, then people can start sending you gifts. Gifts are coins. Coins are turned into diamonds, and then the diamonds you turn into cash. Check it out. Okay, so here's how the coins work. If you want to buy 100 coins, it's $1.30. If you want to buy 500 coins, it's $7, and it just keeps going up from there. This is what the gifts look like. So people will send you a gift box, they'll send you a present, they'll send you a cup of coffee, they'll send you a trophy. If they send you a big candle, that's 10,000 coins. The coins are turned into diamonds. So if you get 20,000 diamonds on a live call, you just made $100. If you want to make $1,000 a day, it's possible. Here's how. So the trick is, when you go live, you have to get people to interact with you. You can't just sit there. 99% of the people that go live, they don't make money. They don't know what they're doing. So here's the trick I learned. Check this out. I created this myself, and I want you to copy it. So the last live call I did was about 40 minutes long. Within the first couple of minutes, I said, hey, are there any gifters on the call? If you're a gifter, send me a gift just to say hello. Well, all of a sudden, I had 2 people send me gifts, and then I said, hey, there's my gifters, and I said, comment and tell me your name. So they sent me comments, told me their name, Mr. Taco, another guy's name was Jimmy, and I said, guys, let's have a TikTok challenge. How many of you want to have a TikTok challenge and see how many gifts they can send me within 60 seconds? And the winner, I will give you a surprise bonus at the end of this call. I will give you a shout out on my YouTube channel and my TikTok page. I will tell everybody to follow you, and you'll get more followers and build your account. And guess what happened? I only had about 25 people on the live call. Everybody started commenting, send more gifts, send gifts, 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 gifts. I said, go, go, go. Everybody comment, gift. Guess what? These 2 people started sending me gifts like crazy, and literally within about 2 minutes, I had 6,000 diamonds, which is about $28 in about 2 to 3 minutes, guys. It worked. That's the trick. When you go live, you want to tell people to send you gifts without actually telling them to send you gifts. Here's why. TikTok's algorithm, it's an AI, it's an artificial intelligence, okay? There are thousands and thousands and thousands and millions of words they put in there that they don't like, and if you say something they don't like, they will stop your live. They will ban you from doing lives. They've already banned me like 5 times, but every time they ban me, I find out why, and then I stop doing that stuff that banned me, right? So here's what I learned, and you can copy my system. When you go live, you want to get people involved. You want to talk to them, ask them where they're from, what country, what city, where are you from, and then say, where's my gifters? Everybody say gift, gift, gift. Get them involved. Tell them to send you a gift just to say hello, and you'll give them a shout out, and tell everybody on your live call to follow them. And that's exactly what I did, and it just started coming in. They started sending gifts, which turn into diamonds, which turn into cash, and you can actually cash out. And I did for the first time, and they transferred the money into my PayPal account, and in seconds, I had the money. Here's the proof. So there is the proof right there. TikTok sent me $27.08. That's from about 6,000 diamonds I made on one live call. Okay, so that's my little up-to-date TikTok, how to make money on TikTok. That's the first way. But guys, there's 5 different ways to make money on TikTok. That's the first way, going live. If you need any help, WhatsApp me right here. I have a live TikTok mentorship. Within 1 hour, I can help you blow up your TikTok account. I can help you get your thousands of followers on TikTok daily, and I can help you go viral and start making money on TikTok. I'm telling you guys, my goal right now that I see this is real, it really works. I got the money, it's working, I'm making money. My goal is to get up to $1,000 a day. That's right, $1,000 a day. And then I'm making $30,000 a month on TikTok, and that's without spending $1 on an ad. If you love that idea, WhatsApp me, get me on a live call, click the link in the description. WhatsApp me right now, guys. I promise you, I guarantee it. I guarantee it, 1 hour, I can have you making money on TikTok. Keep watching, smash the like button, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.